That's just Lashaye. It is. It is. It is.
That's just Lashaye. That's just Lashaye. That's just Lashaye. That's just Lashaye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've already gone ahead and moisturized and primed my skin, and now I'm going in with this CoverGirl foundation and dotting it all over my face. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead soon and start blending this all over. As you can see, this CoverGirl foundation is not, to me, full coverage. It is a matte foundation. It is the perfect color for me, but it actually just isn't matte. And it doesn't cover, as you can see, all my dark spots, but that's okay. I'm just blending that all up on my forehead. We can't forget the forehead area. Now I'm just going in with some concealer that is a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. You don't have to go this light, but I like to go this light just because I want a very dramatic highlight. Not dramatic, but I just want to highlight. And I'm taking that down my nose, down on my cupid's bow, my chin, and on my forehead as well. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my beauty blender. And it does look a bit white and chalky right now. Like I said, I went a couple shades lighter with my concealer. That's just the way I like it. But it'll blend in very good in the end to give me a natural finish that I'm looking for. Now I'm just going ahead with my foundation brush and I'm blending out those harsh areas just to give it a good transition. I don't want any harsh areas from my concealer to be showing. Now I'm going in with my baking powder and I'm just putting that under my eyes, my cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose and my forehead, basically everywhere that I put that concealer, just to set it in place. And don't be alarmed if you do this routine and after your face feels a little dry. Like I said, this CoverGirl foundation is matte, so it's gonna feel a bit dry, but that'll all come together and be fine once we set it with our spray. I'm going in with the shade that I would contour with, and I'm just taking that on my eyelids just to give my eyelids a little bit of color, nothing serious. And I'm doing the same thing with the other eye as well. Now I'm going in with that same foundation brush and I am just dusting off the powder. I like to use my foundation brush because it still has a little bit of foundation on it and it just makes everything blend better. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and further blending everything together just to make everything blend together. Now I'm going in with my contour palette and just going up above my forehead as well as on my cheekbones. And I'm doing everything to the other side, and you will see me also take this along my jaw and down my nose as well, just to slim everything out. So now I'm taking some bronzer, and I am using that to bronze my face up and just bring some warmth to my skin. And I'm also doing basically the same thing I did with the contour, and just taking that on my jaw. I'm gonna take it on my forehead and blending everything together, and then also down my nose as well. Now I'm going in with that setting spray, give my skin some hydration, and as you can see, it all sets pretty well. I'm going in with some brow gel just to keep my eyebrows in place all day. Now I'm taking some mascara. I won't be doing lashes in this video, just some simple mascara and popping that on my lashes. Now, I know this isn't the right brush, but I am using it because I can't find my highlighter brush just to highlight my face. You can't leave the house without a glow. Taking that down my nose as well, on my cupid's bow and my chin. Now I'm taking that same highlight and I'm going on my brow bone. And I'm also gonna take that and put it on the inner corners of my eye as well. Now I'm going ahead, I did not put any more powder on that beauty blender, and I'm just taking what's left on the sponge and putting that underneath where I put my contour at, just to make my face look a little bit more snatched. And then I'm going ahead and contouring my nose up a bit more. Now I'm using that same foundation brush and I'm dusting that powder away. And I'm using that same brush to blend everything together. And that's it. This is the final look. Like I said, this is my everyday natural face routine. It doesn't even take that long to do. You can wear this to home, school, the grocery store, work, anywhere, and it is fabulous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.